In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect and load multiple files in Tableau and set up relationships between them, all in just 5 minutes. This skill is incredibly useful if you're working with data sets spread across different files and need to analyze them collectively. Let's delve into the steps without further ado. First, you'll want to open Tableau Desktop on your computer. Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool, and having it ready on your screen is the first move. Once you've got it open, the next step is to navigate to the Connect panel. This panel is essential because it's the starting point for bringing your external data into Tableau. Now it's time to choose the type of data source you'll be working with. Whether you have a Microsoft Excel sheet or a CSV file, make sure to select the appropriate source. This selection will dictate how Tableau handles and interprets your data moving forward. With your data source selected, go ahead and browse through your files to find the one you need and select it. This marks the transition from a standalone file to an active data source within Tableau, ready for analysis. Once the file is loaded, you'll find a list of tables or sheets connected to it. Simply drag the desired sheet or table onto the canvas within the Data Source tab. Visualizing this process, think of it like putting a piece of a puzzle onto a board, beginning to build the bigger picture of your analysis. After you've placed your first table on the canvas, Tableau might automatically create a relationship between the tables if they share common fields. But if it doesn't, or if you need to specify exactly which fields should link them, there are additional steps to follow. You'll notice a noodle, which is what Tableau calls the line connecting tables. Clicking on this noodle opens the door to a useful dialog box called the Relationship Dialog. This dialog box is key to defining or refining the connections between your tables. Here, within the Relationship Dialog box, your task is to select the common fields from each table. These fields act as the bridge linking your data sets so that they can talk to each other seamlessly. Ensure you've identified the correct fields that correlate between your tables, as this will allow you to create accurate and insightful analyses. With these steps completed, you now have multiple files happily conversing in Tableau, ready to be used for powerful data visualizations and insights. From here, you can create dashboards, analyses, or whatever your project demands. Remember, the integrity of your data relationships forms the backbone of your insights, so take care to set them up accurately. That's all for today's tutorial. Keep exploring and experimenting with Tableau to unlock its full potential.